Guten Tag, hier ist die Frau Walker, and in this video, I'm going to go over your first mastery check of your first unit. So we're going to talk about what this looks like and exactly what to do to make sure that you can do your mastery check correctly, because it's kind of like a self-test. And almost all of the first mastery checks in all the units are going to look just like this. Okay, so here we go. So the first thing that they're going to want you to do here is to open the German 1 Unit 1 Mastery Check 1. That's the Quizlet. So we're going to go over to this screen right here. And in this screen, you can see I am on that Quizlet link that you have in the lesson there. I think it's like the second slide or something. And then you're going to see like a set of instructions on this mastery check form. First, it says we need to click the test button. So we're going to click the test button. And then, oh, you know what? I wonder if we can like split screen this so that way you can see both at the same time. Oh, that's kind of a pain. All right, well, actually, no, that works. That works. Okay, awesome. Okay, so here, we're going to click the options button in the top right-hand corner. And I was able to do that right. Let's see, this is, oh, it's because it's a small thing. It's, all right, hold on one sec. There it is. There's the options button. All right, so we want this options button. And when you click this, then your screen may look like this guy right here. If it looks a little bit different, that's fine. They're upgrading kind of in the middle right now with Quizlet. So it might look a little different or just like mine. So what you're going to do here is you're going to, it says make the test 60 questions. So I'm going to make it 60 questions. And then it says question types need to be matching, multiple choice, and true false. So matching is good. Multiple choice is good. True false is good. We don't want written. I think it would be cruel and unusual punishment for you after just 1 week of seeing all these words to have to be able to spell them right. Nope. Right now, I just want to know if you can recognize these words. We're starting to get used to using them before we put them into sentences. Okay. So we've got these three. There aren't really ever going to be a lot of images here. This one was special. So there's images here. So I believe from now on, that's not going to be an option. But down here, it says we need standard grading. So we want to just make sure that it's standard grading. All right. And then down here, we want to make sure, whoops, that we answer with German. Let me go back here. There we go. That we answer with German. So when you go down here, you need to make sure that it says that you're answering with German. And in order to master this, you need to get at least 54 out of the 60 correct. But to start it, you got to press that create new test. And when you do, all of a sudden, it will make the test for you on that screen. And then you're going to go through and you're going to mark what you think the correct answers are to the best of your ability without any extra help, because I allow you to retake as much as you want. I want to know what you got in your head at that time. And then when you're done, you will go down here and you'll see, I believe, the submit button. Yep, and then you'll submit test. Obviously, I skipped questions, so we're just going to submit the test. Hopefully, you'll be able to go back and fix that when you see which ones you may have missed. It will give you a screen of what you got right. Whoa, Frau Walker did real bad. That's what you get when you monkey mark. You're going to take a picture of this screen by taking a screenshot here. And I can show you how to do that in class there on your Chromebook, or maybe you already know. And then you're going to, when you get 54 out of 60, then you passed it. You're good to go and move on. And you're going to tell me how many times it took you to do that. And you're going to write it all down on your form. You're going to upload the picture of that screenshot and also I can just get rid of this actually, and also the picture of this mastery check form. And those two pictures are going to be what gets you the all done on that assignment in Google Classroom. All right. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing your course companion for this first mastery check. We'll talk to you soon. Auf Wiedersehen.